In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Google Calendar integration to your Slack workspace. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to your Slack workspace app directory page. This is the place where Slack lists all the available apps and integrations you can connect to your workspace. If you are not already signed into Slack in Chrome, go ahead and log in so the directory opens correctly and you can access the app installation page without interruptions. Once you are on the app directory page, look for the search bar near the top of the screen. In that search field, type Google Calendar. This will help you quickly find the official Google Calendar integration without having to scroll through the full list of apps. When the search results appear, select the Google Calendar integration from the list. Take a moment to make sure you are opening the correct app, since Slack offers many tools and integrations, and choosing the right one will keep the setup process smooth. After opening the Google Calendar integration page, you should see the option to add it to your workspace. Click Add to Slack to begin the installation process. At this stage, Slack will guide you to the connection flow so you can link the integration properly. Next, when prompted, sign in using your primary Google profile. This is important because the integration needs access to the Google Calendar account you actually use for meetings, events, reminders, and scheduling. If you are signed into multiple Google accounts in Chrome, pay close attention and choose the correct primary profile before continuing. This helps avoid connecting the wrong calendar by mistake, which can cause confusion later when event notifications or updates appear inside Slack. As you move through the sign-in process, follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Read each screen before continuing so you understand what account you are selecting and what connection is being made. Using the correct Google profile from the start will make the rest of your Slack and calendar workflow much easier and more reliable. Once you complete that sign-in step, the Google Calendar integration will be connected through the proper account path you selected. From there, you are ready to continue with any additional setup Slack may present inside the workspace. That's it for this process. You've opened the Slack app directory in Chrome, searched for the Google Calendar integration, and started adding it to Slack.